Everybody, Manuel Gaming here. Sorry for that, because my camera didn't want to show if it was on or not. Anyway, I will be showcasing today how to change your settings and do kind of this. Oh, my speakers aren't on. Hello, speakers. There you go. So, for mine, I did this.
Avocados from Mexico. Avocados from Mexico. Avocados from Mexico.
So I'm gonna be showing how to do that. And why is my mouse not working? So what you want to go to is search up a sound. Like for me, I searched up avocados from Mexico. Choose one.
Avocados from Mexico.
And then just go to this website. I'll leave it in the description below if you want to do it. But anyway, yeah. So you download this. You have to convert it into WAV form. And then you go down here into your sound icon, and you click on the sounds. Okay. These are all the sounds that are on the computer. So mine, I did device connect.
Avocados from Mexico. Avocado.
And then the R. So yeah, you can do whichever one you want. It's not my choice for you, but I went with device disconnect. And then you have to go into browse. And yeah, there's mine right there. I'll leave the file and the website if you want to do it for yourself. But anyway, yeah, this was just a little quick tutorial on how to do it. So, yeah. Boy.